1 power x plus 7 power x is equal to 49 power x. Find the value of x. So at first we divided by 49 power x in both sides. So divided by 49 power x divided by 49 power x divided by 49 power x. Now this will be cancelled. So here on. Now x in power but different ways. So according to this formula, a power n over b power n is equal to a over b, then bracket common power n. So according to this formula, I can write here 1 over 49, then bracket common power x plus again x in power but different ways. So according to this formula, I can write here 7 over 49, then bracket common power x is equal to 1 divided by 1, that means 1. Now 1 by 49 can be written as 1 by 7 bracket power of 2. Then this first bracket can be written as second bracket, then power of x plus 7 divided by 7, that means it will be 7 divided by 7, that means it will be 1. 49 divided by 7, that means it will be 7. Now here 1 over 7, then bracket power of x is equal to 1. Now here I can apply rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So it will be 1 by 7 bracket power x, then second bracket power of 2 according to this rule, then plus 1 by 7 bracket power x is equal to 1. Now we see 1 by 7 bracket power x, 1 by 7 bracket power x, both are the same. So let 1 by 7 bracket power x is substituted by y. So our equation will be y square plus y then is equal to 1. Now we can write here y square plus y, then this plus 1 take to the left side, so this will be minus 1, then is equal to 0. Now here you can apply quadratic formula, so you can write here y is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Here a will be equal to 1, then b will be equal to 1, after that c will be equal to negative 1. Now y will be equal to minus b, that means 1, then plus or minus a square root of b square, that means it will be 1 square minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means negative 1. So it will be bracket negative 1 divided by 2 times a, that means 1. Now we can write here y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus a square root of 1 square is same as 1, minus times minus, that means it will be plus 4 times 1 times 1, that means 4, divided by 2 times 1, that means 2. Now we see here 2 cases, so you can write here y is equal to minus 1 plus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, divided by 2, or y is equal to minus 1 minus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, divided by 2. Now remember that y, that means let 1 by 7 bracket 4x is substituted by y. So y, that means 1 by 7 bracket 4x. So y, that means 1 by 7 bracket 4x is equal to plus a square root of 5, that means a square root of 5, then minus 1 divided by 2, or y, that means 1 by 7 bracket 4x is equal to minus 1 minus the square root of 5 divided by 2. 1 by 7 bracket power any number is always positive, but minus 1 minus the square root of 5 divided by 2, this is must be negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative, so this is rejected. Now from here we apply log in both sides. So you can write here log of 1 by 7 bracket power x is equal to log of a square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Now this power x will move to the base, so it will be x log 1 by 7 is equal to log of a square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Now we need the value of x, so divided by log of 1 by 7 divided by log of 1 by 7. So this log of 1 by 7, this log of 1 by 7 will be cancelled. So we have x will be equal to this divided by this, that means it will be same that log of a square root of 5 minus 1 over 2, then base of 1 by 7. So this is the value of x, so this is our final answer.
How to solve 4 to the power 23 plus 4 to the power 23 is equal to what? At first we take common 4 to the power 23. First bracket start, this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Now 4 to the power 23 is same as 2 to the power 2 bracket for 23 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 2 times 23, that means 46 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power, so we can write here 2 to the power 46 plus 1, that means 47. So 2 to the power 47 is the correct answer. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.